This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS application.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the new video of Educate WordPress. On this channel we talk everything about WordPress, and today we are gonna see plugin that will allow you to show the share icon of Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, any other social media platform on your product page of your WooCommerce account or even on your blog, like these. So the user can click on it and directly share it on their feeds. And you will be able to see this copy to clipboard button also. So there are two plugins that we are going to see today. One of them is social share for WooCommerce and other one is add to any share buttons. So let's go with this one first. Social share for WooCommerce. We'll go to our dashboard, then to our plugin and click on add new. Now we will search for social share for WooCommerce. This one we have to install by WP extension. So this is a very simple plugin. It will just show you the icons that you needed, these three icons or four icons, and a simple interface. Whereas add to any share gives you multiple more functionalities than this one. So let's see how you can simply add this by installing, and after installation you have to activate it. So after activation of this plugin, you will see it in your install plugins window. And to go to its settings, you can directly go by clicking on here settings, or you will see a WP extension here on your left side window, and you can go to social share. So there is only one setting page right here. You can change the icon display. You can add more icons if you want, like WhatsApp, and you can select how it will appear, icon with text, icon, or anything like that. You can choose social share button shape. Will it be round, will it be square, and you can display copy to clipboard, but it will only work if you have a HTTPS site like this one written here. You can select where to display it. There are three options available: display after product title, display after product price, and always show with category name. So these are three ways available. Enable icon title. You can enable it to display title before social icons. So after that you have to click on save settings. These are settings that are locked for now for only premium users, and advanced setting is whole available to premium users only. By buying its premium pack, you can even change the title text or their border, color, weight, height, background color, etc. So after doing this much, you will be able to see this. If I refresh my website, so you will be able to see this on your all products, and if a user clicks on it, they will be redirected to a window to share it. So this is simply how to add it on your website. No need to do much customization and settings. You simply install it and activate it and it will be done and good to go. So now let's look at add to any share and what other functionality it gives. So we'll go back to our plugins and add new and search for add to any. So these both plugins are compatible with WooCommerce, so you do not have to worry about showing it or not showing up in product pages and only in blogs. You have to activate it and it will show up in your installed plugins right here. Add to any. First, let me deactivate social share. So now to go to its settings, you can go to settings by directly clicking on here, or you will see it under tools and add to any. So there are various settings that you can change. One is icon style, share button. If you want to add more share button, it will give you a wide range, a wide variety. So even if you want to add a Gmail or a LinkedIn, you can add it just by clicking on here. And next one app is universal button and sharing header. You can enable it. So you have to write like share on or share this, anything like that. And now this is the placement where the sharing option will be displayed, like top, bottom, and top and bottom both. So let it be bottom and it will show you all the places that it will show up. You can just uncheck the buttons if you want. So let me check these all by default. It is very advisable. Next is menu options. You can select only show the universal share menu when the user clicks the universal share button. Or you can add additional JavaScript or CSS or advanced options. In it you will get to use custom icons or your extension, PNG, width, height, you can select it. So let's leave it to default and click on save changes. Now this is floating setting. So the vertical buttons placement will be left docked, right docked, or attach on content. You can choose any of this. So let's choose it to be right docked. Responsiveness, you can hide on mobile screens, hide until pages scroll, hide when pages scroll. You can have the positions, pixels from top, offsets, icon size, background. You can choose the background custom by selecting a color. You can leave it to white or set it to transparent. You can choose the horizontal buttons placement, responsiveness, and background also. And click on save changes after setting up. So now these are the differences between settings, and now let's see how it looks on my page. If I refresh my blog, I will see the sharing option, and even if I go to my product, any of the product, I will see the social sharing icon, and the text written above it is share on. So this is what it will give you, more functionalities, and even if you go to your customize, you can add this add to any share button as widget and get more followers to your desired page or to your Instagram account. So let's go to widgets, and on sidebar, let me add this widget here. Just click on it. This is a widget I have created before. So type add to any. So you will get add to any follower and add to any share. So since I want followers, I will go with add to any follow. And here I will get to edit the title like follow us on, and the icon size. So you can increase or decrease the icon size. And next is Facebook ID and Instagram ID. Let me copy this one here. And Pinterest ID and any other ID if you want, you can just provide it here. So let's go with these three, and you can see the icon right here on my sidebar. So now if I want to increase the size again, I can do it, and since it will show up in real time, so it makes easier to edit it. And if anyone clicks on it, the page will be opened. So let me publish it. Now if anyone clicks on it like this, the page will be opened. Since I have provided with facebook.com, it is opening that one. But if you give your ID's link, it will be opened, and then the user can follow it. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to Educate WordPress.